To fix your toilet flushing slowly, start by understanding the possible causes of the issue. The most common reasons for a slow flushing toilet are clogged drains, improper water level, and faulty flappers or fill valves. First, check the water level in the tank to ensure it is at the recommended height. If the water level is too low, the toilet will not flush properly. Adjust the float arm to raise the water level if necessary. Next, inspect the flapper or fill valve for any signs of damage or mineral buildup. If you find any issues, replace the flapper or clean the fill valve to ensure proper function. Another possible cause is a clogged drain. To check for clogs, pour a bucket of water into the toilet bowl and see if it drains quickly. If it does not, you may need to use a plunger or plumbing snake to clear the blockage. Additionally, check the vent pipe on your roof to ensure it is not clogged with debris. A clogged vent pipe can cause flushing issues, so clear any blockages to allow for proper airflow. Finally, consider the age and condition of your toilet. If your toilet is old, it may be time to consider replacing it with a newer, more efficient model. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the issue causing your toilet to flush slowly, saving you time and money in the long run. Regular maintenance and inspections can also help prevent future issues and ensure your toilet functions properly.